Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can say your Apple ID password in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So you just have to just follow some steps to see your password in your iPhone. Just go to settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to the password section. If you don't find a password, simply just go to search bar and just for search a password, and you see that just go search password and see that there is an option passwords. Just tap on that and just scroll down on the end of the section and see that there is an option on open passwords. Just tap on that and just go to the interface and just see the face ID. After that, just simply click on all. Just tap on that, and here is showing the my recent Apple ID password, which we will sign in my mobile. Just tap on that, and here it is showing that the Apple ID password. Just tap on that and you see your password of your Apple ID. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.